Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is my watercolor look I'm doing. It's a watercolor face paint. Um, just pretty much scrabbling all over my face, but I'm doing it to make it look like a water painting. So when I took a photo of myself, it'll look like somebody painted me. Did it in fast motion, so I wouldn't bore you guys, but thank you for sticking around for this long. I appreciate it. I really do. Thank you for giving me the view. It'll be great to subscribe me and give me a like and comment. Putting some highlight on my eyes, around my eyes, my face. And this is my finished look. And I look like a painting, especially in the photo that I took. Yeah, that's me. Thank you for watching. Have a great night. Please subscribe. Bye.